If you're carrying anger or grief, you're not alone. In this video, I'm sharing a gentle neurographic drawing practice, a way of using simple lines and shapes to help the nervous system release anger and grief, and gradually return to calm. This is something I need right now, and I hope it helps you too. Now, you don't need any art experience, you don't need to understand the process. We'll move slowly, without judgment or expectation. You can draw along with me, or simply watch and let your body settle. This drawing starts with the heart, not as a symbol, but as a place where emotion is held. Let your hand move slowly. The lines help the body release what's been held, without needing to explain it. As the lines move out from the heart, let them carry what's been released. The lines may feel uneven or unsteady. This is a natural part of the process. These lines don't belong to you alone. They hold the anger, the grief, and the fear that many of us are feeling right now. Some of this emotion is personal. Some of it belongs to our families, our communities, the world around us. You don't have to decide which is which. Just let the lines connect outward beyond the heart. Let some of the lines travel far, let others stay close. There is no right distance. This is a way of acknowledging what's moving through the collective without carrying it alone and without pushing it away. And when you're ready, we'll begin to soften the heart itself. But for now, let the connection be here, in this moment. Now we're going to begin to soften from the inside. There's no rush, because this is where calm begins. All of the places where the lines cross are areas where we feel most intensely, areas of anger, areas of those pockets of grief. So going through and rounding all of those intersections brings a softness, a continuity of flow. Here's where that softness begins. Here's where our calm restores. As you move through the rounding process, I invite you to have awareness. Awareness of your body. What is your body telling you? Awareness of what you see on the page. Awareness of what your emotions are telling you. All of it is information, and all of it leads us back to calm. As you round outside the heart, remember that you are not alone. These external lines connect us with others, and rounding in this area is not about fixing anything. It's about restoring steadiness and connection. Now we'll begin to add a little color. In this practice, color isn't about making the drawing look a certain way. It's used gently and intentionally to support what's already settled and to help the body integrate what has been released. For instance, blue helps cool and steady the nervous system. If it feels right, you can also introduce a soft green. This color supports grounding and restoration, especially in the spaces that connect us. I'm going to use it sparingly, just enough to bring a sense of steadiness. I always choose to let the color arrive slowly and then stop when it feels like enough. There's no need to fill every single space. This is a great place to notice your breath. I find color is a nuanced medium. I go back and forth between color, exploring and touching all of the emotions that come with it. It's just nuance, and it gives us so much information. So I invite you to lean into the process and don't be afraid to cover up a section with a different color, blend the colors together. Just really explore what your colors want to bring forward. But of course, there's no pressure. This is your drawing. If you want to make it a solid single color or no color at all, that's perfect too. There is a greater flow that moves through the universe. Some call this God, Spirit, or Source. Connecting into this field allows for what is being released to be transformed. So I intentionally place 3 lines from edge to edge on the drawing, and I invite you to do the same. And as always, be sure to round anywhere the lines cross so they are well integrated, anchoring you to this universal energy. Now before we finish, I'm going to add a few touches of gold. Not to change what's here, but to acknowledge what remains after things have settled. These marks don't need to go everywhere. They're simply noticing the places that feel steady, connected, and complete enough. Let your hand choose quietly, and when you feel complete, we'll let the drawing rest. When you're ready, choose one final mark. Let this bring you home. As you come to a natural stopping point, take one slow breath in and let it go. Notice how your body feels right now, without judging or needing it to be different. Just let your body land in this new level of awareness. Thank you so much for taking the time and moving through this practice with me. If you found this drawing helpful, please give it a like and subscribe. This goes a long way in helping others find this video too. And if you'd like to continue work with this kind of gentle, regulating art, you'll find the links in the description below to the Luminous Soul Art Circle, as well as my classes and workshops. You are always welcome to join us. Whether you join live, explore on your own, or simply return to this drawing whenever you need. Take good care, and I'll see you again soon.